Welcome to Family Product Reviews. If you are new here, support us by subscribing. Today we will be reviewing the Almased Meal Replacement Shake Plant-Based Protein Weight Loss Formula Low-Glycemic High-Protein Diet Metabolism and Energy Booster Weight Management Supplement. Non-GMO, no gluten, 17.6 ounce. Cons: the price of this stuff locally for me is between $38 and $42 from GNC, the local health food store. It is so nice to be able to whip up a shake when you are hungry and be full and satisfied within a few minutes. All of the options, in my opinion, do not change the ultimate low-calorie metabolism igniting properties of the shake, and for a few tiny extra calories the drink is way more palatable. 6 pounds right away and have managed to lose another 4. Plan to keep Almased as part of my continued diet plan. Be sure to follow the instructions. Low and don't try the product without adding the recommended extras: oil, unsweetened cocoa. This is a great meal replacement if you're trying to lose weight, you want to skip a meal but provide your body with nutrition. The Almased keeps my hunger in check for at least 4 hours, but my wife doesn't seem to have the same experience. What seems to work for her is smaller doses of Almased more often and raw veggies in between if grows hungry. My wife has been on the diet the same amount of time and she is currently down 28 pounds and more than 2 dress sizes. It really does work, but when you think about it, each 8 tons serving with water is only 180 calories. That's 540 calories per day if you substitute all 3 meals as recommended. This product does help you lose weight compared with all of the other methods of weight loss. This one actually works. It is kind of like drinking wet flour, so if you can get over that, then you are in good shape. The first couple of days were the hardest, but for me the challenge was more psychological, as the shakes are really very satisfying. Have lost 53 pounds in 5.5 months by making one shake day in the morning 6-7 days per week. There is a short transition off of the shakes and you can go back to 3 meals a day with a faster metabolism. It is the real money saver as well. 2 cans of this per week and some almond milk and you're good to go. Hope that helps. If you decide to try it, stick with the plan outlined in the pamphlet. Stir it well, drink it quickly once you've mixed it, and get regular exercise. The bottom line is any company can add a lot of extra ingredients to make your health drink taste like a McDonald's milkshake. This mixes easily with orange juice, strawberries, blueberries. Taste is truly not noticeable. Also mixes easily with grapefruit and orange juice alone and not in a blender cup. As on most diets, the first 3 days are a little tougher than the days that follow. Day 2 is particularly rough. This milkshake tastes pretty good if you don't like too much added sugar. It has a pleasant smell and very mild taste. Those who have not had success with Almased have failed for 2 reasons: hunger and not being able to tolerate the taste. These don't change the taste, but they help me stay hydrated and they help me feel full after a shake. Ovaltine adds only 40 calories and is actually very healthy for you, as it adds many other healthy vitamins and minerals but no fat. It is super easy if you don't have a lot of time, and in comparison the price is not bad at about $2. My favorite is low-cal yogurt and a few frozen berries, lots of ice, and whichever flavored silk soy milk goes best this morning: blueberry yogurt, frozen blueberries, unsweetened coconut, silk, and stevia as desired. It isn't super sweet by a long shot, but it is a touch sweet and enough to cover up that cardboard vibe. You can get the same effect in a shaker cup by shaking and letting it sit for a few minutes before shaking again and drinking it. If you don't need your breakfast to taste like a milkshake but want a high quality protein powder, try this. Prior to this my diet was pretty bad, eating Chipotle burritos, Coke and chips, pizza, beer, tons of pasta and a lot of white bread. Thank you for watching. Do not forget to subscribe and leave your comments below.